Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Abubakar if you are new here to the channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful functions in Excel. It goes by the name SUMPRODUCT. Let's see what SUMPRODUCT can do for us. Given the table below, let's find our total revenue from the table. We have the customer, product, price, quantity, and revenue. Now, to find revenue, it will be just a multiplication of the price times quantity. And this will be price times quantity. Then I'm going to double click here. Here we get revenue from each product and customer. Now, to get the total revenue, it will be equal to sum, as sum just adds up all the revenue from the range. Enter. Here is what the answer is. Now, this is a I can call it the traditional way of finding the total revenue from given of two arrays. But the easier way to do this is by using SUMPRODUCT. Now, I'll go here and type is equal to SUMPRODUCT. Now, SUMPRODUCT can help to do this much easier. Look at this. So, SUMPRODUCT formula needs array 1, and our array 1 is the price, comma, array 2, the quantity. Now, if we hit enter, this is what we will get, exact the same from the previous, but this one is more easier and faster. Let's take it a step further. Now, here our objective will be to find the quantity of the chart A from this column, and the quantities are here. Now we can use SUMPRODUCT formula to help us to find the total quantity of the chart A from the table above. Look at this. Here I will type SUMPRODUCT. So our first array will be equal to the product array, and here I will type is equal to chart A. Now make sure that your chart A is spelled correctly as from the array. But there is one thing I've forgotten to tell you, that if you are putting condition in the array's argument, make sure you close the bracket, because it shouldn't interfere with the calculation coming next. So after putting the condition of the chart A, here we are going to times and not comma, because if you put comma, the SUMPRODUCT won't give you the correct answer, or it will give you an error. So times the array 2, our objective is to find the quantity of the chart A. Now this is what will be array 2, and don't forget to put the brackets. Close the bracket for the formula, and boom, here the answer 180. Yes, it is correct. Let's double check this. Chart A, here at first we have 80 and Here we have 100. If you sum them, we'll get 180. Now, to find the total revenue for only chart A, this will be equal to sum product since we are going to put on the condition. Don't forget to open the brackets. My array of product equal to chart A. I'm going to close my bracket and I'm going to times the revenue. Don't forget to close the brackets. And for the formula, close the bracket. Boom. 36,000. Yes, the revenue for chart A is 36,000. Let's double check this. Here we have 16,000 and here we have 20,000. If you add it, it will be 36,000. Now, let's take it a step further. We are told to count the quantity of company A or company C for the year of 2024 and for the month of January. SUMPRODUCT can do this way much easier. So I'm going to type SUMPRODUCT, whereby I will open the two brackets since I know that there will be two conditions. Now, my first array will be company, whereby it will be equal to company A. Close the bracket plus open the bracket company A. Company C. Close the bracket. Close the bracket for the condition. Now times the year equal to 2024. Don't forget to open and close the bracket. And for the month of January, this will be equal to January. Close the bracket for the formula. We'll get 5. Yes, this is true, since if we come here and count for company A quantity, this one it was 200, but it was for the month of February. This one was for company B, this one for company A, but it was for the month of January, so it will count it as number 1, and this one number 2, and this one is number 3, so we get 3 on our hand. This one was for February, this one is for January, company A, so we got 4. This one is for February, and here we have 5. So that's why here there is an answer of 5. And here we have to find the sum of the quantity. So let's take this a step further. Well, we want to find the sum of the quantity for the company A or C. So I'm going to type SUMPRODUCT. I'm going to open the two brackets. Company A plus, open the brackets, company C times, before times, I'm going to close the bracket for the condition, times open the brackets for the year 2024. I'm going to open one more bracket for the month, equal to January. I'm going to close it. And the last one, this one for the quantity. Going to close it, close for the formula. Boom, 470. Yes. Now this is much easier with SUMPRODUCT. Now we're going to find the sum of the revenue from the table above. It will be equal to SUMPRODUCT going to open the two brackets equal to company A plus company C. Going to select the corresponding year. Don't forget to open and close the brackets. And I'm going to multiply this by the month array. And I'm going to select its respective revenue. Now, this is the answer. So, we can see that with SUMPRODUCT, it was much easier to perform all these tasks above, since it gives or it simplifies more and more and make it easier for us to do our calculation. Welcome to my channel. This was all about SUMPRODUCT. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, since it helps a lot to the growth of this channel. Thank you. Have a fantastic weekend.